Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about CIIC. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So, guys, today we're going to be talking about CIIC. And if you guys actually don't know what this company does, it's just another blank check company. But the reason why this stock has actually been doing so well and why this stock is actually up 185% is because of the recent news that the stock has actually been getting. If you guys didn't know, the stock is actually set to merge with an EV company known as Arrival. If you guys don't know what Arrival actually does, Arrival is an EV company. It's based out of the United Kingdom, but they specify in EV commercial vehicles. So it's a little bit different than what Tesla and NIO and all these other companies are starting to offer. This one basically specifies in just fleet vehicles and buses. Now, as you guys know, the EV market has been blowing up like crazy. There's been a lot of companies out there that are starting to IPO, a lot of EV companies that are starting to IPO. So it's difficult for people to pick which company they think is actually going to be the next big EV company, which company is actually worth investing in. But guys, obviously, everything I say in my videos is not investment advice. It's just my personal opinion. But guys, you guys should take the chance and invest in CIIC. I do think this stock is actually worth the investment at $28.40, guys. And the reason I say this is because the whole evolution of the EV market is going to come through with this specific company. And the reason I say this is because, guys, the thing that Arrival is offering is a lot of companies do not offer. They're legit commercial electric vehicles, guys. You don't understand that how much money this is actually going to be able to save companies. Even Arrival said in an interview recently that, a lot of these big time companies, guys, are going to go to Arrival and switch out their vehicles almost immediately because they're able to save so much more cost. If you guys have ever worked in the business world, you guys know that when it comes to a company, their biggest, most important thing is cutting costs and the bottom line in itself. And the fact that Arrival is basically saying that, a lot of companies are going to be eating up these fleet vehicles. There's so many companies out there, guys, that use fleet vehicles. And the fact that they're all going to be electric and the fact that, this is going to be able to save thousands and thousands of dollars for all these companies, guys, you bet that people are going to be lining up the door to sign with Arrival in CIIC merger. The merger is set to take place in the first quarter of 2021. But guys, take the opportunity and buy the stock now because this thing is going to be the next EV giant. And as you guys know, and a little bit more backing, Jim Cramer himself even said that this company is going to be the son of Tesla, which did cause the stock to rally 26% in the last trading session. Obviously, that's not the reason why I'm telling people to actually invest in the stock itself. The reason I say this is because, guys, the EV market is starting to mature and there's more demand for a lot of EV vehicles. And the fact that this company is offering commercial vehicles, all battery power, is actually going to be huge. And it's going to be a huge market. As you guys know, there's Workhorse, there's Hyliion, there's so many companies that are specifying in so many different things. You have so many companies that are trying to make battery-powered large semi-trucks, and then you have companies trying to make battery-powered delivery vans. But the fact that, this company is going to be making battery-powered commercial vehicles, guys, and school buses, imagine how many people are going to be lining up the door. And another cool fact is that this thing already has a deal with UPS evaluated about $1.2 billion, which goes to show that this company is actually legit. And the reason why I think that this company is actually worth the investment right now, because this thing has so much more upside potential for even a lot of analysts to say that, this company is worth the investment. I know a lot of people right now, they want to get it cheap. For me, I obviously went ahead and just put 100 shares, just a small investment. And the reason I did that is because no matter how bullish I am on an EV company, guys, you guys always have to take the precaution that there's so many EV companies out there that are starting to IPO. So I didn't want to stick basically all 100% of my portfolio into one stock. I don't ever recommend people to do that. But guys, I can tell you right now that this company is actually going to be huge. And like I said, this company is already set to begin the production of its electric vehicle buses by the fourth quarter, even saying they can have factories up in South Carolina in just 6 months' time. And the fact that they're able to have factories up so quick and start production goes to show, guys, that this company is legit and this company is worth the investment. And like I said, guys, I understand that a lot of people out there are very hesitant to actually invest in a lot of EV companies right now. There are a lot that are starting to IPO, but the fact that Arrival is able to lower manufacturing costs by just decentralizing the process with microfactories that can be built anywhere is not only a smart business idea, but it's actually so innovative to the point where I was like, oh my God, this company is going to be huge and this company is going to be innovative, guys. I'm telling you right now that CIIC is going to be the next EV giant. Obviously, like I said, guys, you don't have to listen to what I say. It's just my personal opinion. But guys, I'm telling you right now that this company is actually going to be huge. And the fact that they already have deals signed with UPS, and probably a lot more companies, and Arrival even stating in an interview that a lot of companies are going to be lined up to sign with this company, for me actually makes it think it's worth the investment. And it's the only EV company that's actually based out of the United Kingdom, and the fact that they're able to produce electric commercial vehicles, guys, commercial vehicles are used worldwide, so I already know that this is going to be a huge market. Like I said, these companies probably are not going to grow as fast as Tesla, NIO, and stuff like that, because those are the day-to-day drivers. But the fact that this company is going to be able to save companies so much more money, you already know that, there's going to be so many companies out there that are going to want to sign deals with Arrival because, like I said, companies are looking to save at the bottom line. EV is going to be leading us into the next generation. So I'm telling you guys that these stocks are going to be the next big thing. CIIC is going to be the next big thing, and I do think it is worth the investment, guys. Like I said, you guys always have to tread with caution, and every investment is risky, guys. But for me, I took the risk. Like I said, I put a small investment into this company because I do actually see the long-term potential. Once I see more from the company, once they start production, I'm actually going to invest a lot more into this company in itself. But I'm telling you guys right now that you should buy this company because this company is actually going to be huge. Even being endorsed by a lot of analysts saying that this company is going to be huge. Even Jim Cramer saying that this company is the son of Tesla, causing it to rally 26%. Goes to show that there's going to be a lot of big time analysts behind this stock. Guys, pick up CIIC. I think it is worth the investment, $28.40. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of CIIC. Do you guys think CIIC is worth the investment? Do you guys think that this is going to be the next EV giant? If you own this company, guys, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.